From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the forecast certainly looking like May here over the next several days. Warm, humid conditions. We're going to have rain chances in the mix. Some days those chances will be a little bit higher than others, but no particular day is necessarily looking like a washout. So let's get a check of the satellite radar composite. And again, today we were looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, but as expected, rain chances lower here locally with the bulk of the shower and storm activity setting up more so into southeastern Texas. But we'll stay relatively quiet through this evening and overnight tonight. No major issues. We're going to be mild and muggy out there. Lows heading for the lower and middle 70s only. So that's where we'll start the day tomorrow. And overall, it's going to be a mostly cloudy start to the week, and that's going to help limit our temperatures at least to a degree. We'll say low to mid 80s. We got up to 85 in Lafayette today. We'll go 83 to 84 for that projected high tomorrow. A graph model showing a little bit more in the way of some scattered showers and storms. I think we'll see a little bit less than this, but still a few passing showers will be possible throughout the day. Rain chances at around 30%, but not everyone necessarily getting wet tomorrow. Into Tuesday, we're going to start out in the lower to middle 70s. Now, May is the month for these features that we call mesoscale convective complexes, and it looks like one of those could push through midday Tuesday and then into the afternoon hours. And what these are notorious for, the heavy downpours and gusty winds. So we'll be on the lookout for that. Rain chances up to around 50 to 60%. And then as we head into Wednesday, we're going to see yet another one of these features. But I think with this one on Wednesday, highest rain chances setting up Lake Charles on westward. The model doing a good job indicating that here. So bringing rain chances here in Acadiana down to around 30% for Wednesday, as highs again stay warm, mid to upper 80s, and that's pretty much where they are going to remain for the middle and latter parts of the week. Here's the GFS model again, also showing the greatest coverage of those showers and storms Wednesday afternoon, concentrating over Texas. So our rain chances a little bit lower, and the latest GFS model has come in kind of drier for the end of the week, or trending in that direction. Thursday into Friday. European model, though, still not quite on board with that. And I still think with daytime heating, enough low-level moisture out there, we got to keep at least some scattered storms in the forecast. But again, no particular day necessarily looking like a washout. As far as rainfall totals over about, we'll say the next week or so, Euro here is showing about an inch to an inch and a half possible. But of course, if you get underneath one of those heavier thunderstorms, you can easily pick that up within 30 minutes to an hour. But I do think some of the more extreme rainfall totals through the next week setting up more so into Texas, and I'll have to be on the lookout for flash flooding for sure. Temperatures again tonight, low to mid 70s. That's where we'll start our Monday, and with the added cloud cover tomorrow, we struggle to reach the mid 80s. Most of us top out in the lower 80s, and then we're dropping right back down into the lower and middle 70s come Tuesday morning, and then most of us pushing the mid 80s Tuesday afternoon with a scattering of those showers and storms. Here's the True View forecast for tomorrow. Doing a pretty good job showing a mostly cloudy sky, a few passing showers and or a thunder shower or two throughout the day. Rain chances at 30%. We'll go 83 for that projected high. Should be near 85 on Tuesday. 87 on Wednesday with rain chances down just a little bit there. I have gone ahead and lowered the rain chances for now. Thursday into Friday to 40 to 50%. But again, we're going to see how those longer range models come into better agreement, hopefully, in the next couple of days. Regardless, it's going to stay quite warm, quite humid toward the end of the week and into the weekend. We're talking high temperatures in the upper 80s here across Acadiana. Taylor.
Only the best to look forward to heading into the week. I'm excited for that humidity, Bradley.
Yeah, humidity is going to be in full force, but honestly pretty typical for almost now the middle parts of May.
I guess so. Thanks for that.